If you come to sleep over at my house, I'm making you waffles for breakfast. They're actually really easy to make. 1.5 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Give that a whisk. 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of your milk of choice, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 egg. Now we can whisk our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. Blueberries. Cheers.